Hey guys, welcome to another ChevSpeaks video. Today's video, we're taking pictures of the S55 on top of a parking deck, but we're on top of this parking deck. We're driving by, me and at Zipper Designs over there, Jacob Zipper, awesome guy, great service. He's the guy that designed my logo, and he's done a lot of other things for me in the past, like Snapchat filters. So I'll make sure to link his Instagram and stuff is already linked in the description below. Feel free to hit him up. Awesome guy, great prices. Washed it today. The weather's finally nice. It's not snowing anymore. Well, it only really snowed for 2 days, but the weather is really nice. I'm able to be in shorts. But yeah, we're just getting some pictures really. We're gonna be doing a video, or he's gonna be doing a video for his channel. I'll make sure, he actually has a YouTube channel as well, so make sure to go check that out. And we're gonna go to the next spot. So I'll see you guys, I guess, now. Hey guys, here we are at spot number 2. Again, we're at another parking deck. My city has a lot of parking decks for its size, and they're all really nice parking decks. And here we are on a Sunday afternoon. It's like 10 o'clock. There's no one around, and people have come up here and done some things. Oh, let me see if I can show you guys. Oh, it's really dark, but you see, yep. Hey, Elaine. I know exactly what you guys are thinking. You're thinking, wait, where's the rest of the video? Why are you in your garage right now? Well, here in my garage, I'm gonna save you from that really cringy moment. But this was kind of actually a teaser. The full cinematic will be released.
Tailored.
Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you're having an excellent day. See you guys in the next one.